Do you ever wanted to upskill but lacked resources to arrange educational content? Presenting BookGenie, any book downloader, PDF search engine for web. BookGenie is a software to allow users to download ebooks or PDFs. Whether it be any fictional, educational books, game development tutorials, books on programming courses, sci-fi novels, e-learning content, etc. BookGenie caters all sorts of PDF library content and reading material to its users. Essentially, BookGenie comprises of back-end services wherein our servers keep search and indexing services for electronic and digital content, as our advanced web crawler keep tracks of ebooks, PDFs available all across the web. Its usage is straightforward. Simply type in your book name and press search. Click download button of your requested book, top open in its standalone PDF reader. With BookGenie you can access thousands of indexed books. BookGenie aims is to make people learn first, upgrade themselves irrespective of their financial worries or family situation.